Congratulations, you passed the neighborhood safety test. Your door is locked.
New Orleans, Louisiana. Better have that Second Amendment ready.
The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured two dogs rushing towards a mail carrier when something unexpected happened.
Hey! Where are you? Too fast. It's okay. Hey, Will. Yeah, you ran into the door, dude. Going too fast.
Despite the sudden appearance of two dogs, the men remained calm and friendly with them.
Jack, it's your friend!
You should have seen him. He slid. Look, he slid into the door going so fast.
That's what he does.
Oh my
He doesn't
God.
know how to control himself.
I was like, well, dag. I mean, I'm trying to say hi.
You gotta be nice. It's your friend.
According to the homeowner, their dogs really love the mail carriers. Every time they come by, their dogs act like this.
Oh man, he's hilarious.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to control his body.
Yeah. How cool.
Thank you.
Tell me, what do you think about this?